Hi there, how are you? This is Kim with Beauty by Zone. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out the channel. My name is Kimberly, which I think I already said, but I wanted to show you and jump right into how to get ready for the daytime on the weekends. So it's not a professional look, it's just quick, easy, no makeup, threw on a dress shirt, some waves in my slept-in hair, and wanted to show you sort of how to do that weekend, get ready, not look too schleppy, not look so done, because it's still daytime on the weekend. So first thing is skin. I mean, when you are just wanting to look polished, not looking like you're wearing a ton of makeup, just not looking like you're almost 50 and tired, you can focus on your skin. So that was a lotion. Even if you don't have extra repair lotion, try one of the micellar waters and just put it on your skin with your hands. And that way you're getting a cushion to your skin without any grease. So you know it's gonna last all day, but still look natural. The next thing I'm gonna go to is what I call Dream Cream, and it's an extra illuminating balm by Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna throw some on. This is in a pink glow shade. You can see this is gonna give my skin a little bit of life and help to give that cushion to my skin, a little bit of glow. So pretty. Then we can't forget what, ladies, or men, mind you, is a little bit of eye cream. So I'm gonna go for some eye cream, and eye cream in the daytime, put on underneath your eyes. Always try to use your ring finger and press, press, press underneath your eyes. You don't wanna put eye cream on your eyelid because then you will get, you know, like all your makeup will go funky. So the next thing I'm gonna go for is a little bit of Longwear Cream Shadow. And I love the color Malted, I love the color Shore. If you have a little bit of a richer skin tone, there's an awesome shade by Bobbi Brown called Soft Peach. There's a vanilla cream shadow stick, anything that's a eye base. There's tons out there. I was at Ulta yesterday and went crazy. I'm gonna do another Ulta video soon. And that way I've neutralized any red. That's basically the main goal, is to like neutralize red, neutralize gray, create a primer on the eyelid. Now, what have I done? I've done some cushion, I've done some extra illuminating balm. I'm gonna go to, because my skin is tired and dry, this is Intensive Skin Serum Foundation by Bobbi Brown. It's got an SPF in it too, which I love. And because it's weekend, I am going for fingers. Want just sheer coverage, and starting sort of just at the center of my face, making sure I get around. I always take my concealer or my foundation under my eyes too, and then onto my big old forehead. And making sure also I just blend it out onto my jawline. Quick, easy, sheer, and almost gently massaging it onto the skin. So it's pressed, it's easy, but my skin still looks like skin. And because I've got that extra illuminating moisture balm underneath, I know I've got that great glow. So another thing I always do is just check how am I doing with my face tone and my forearm, because as we start to get into warmer months and we even get a little bit of sun, you want to just make sure. Hey Jackson, do you want to come and say hi? We've got a little bit of bronzer. No, my son is camera shy today. We're gonna do a little bit of bronzer. This is medium bronzer because it's gonna pick up more of the surface color of my tan on my forearms. And I just throw bronzer around the perimeter of my face, come in under the jawline, come under the cheekbone from the center of the ear forward, and then I stamp the rest of the color over my eyes, around my nose, over my mouth, and then it doesn't look tan, it just now looks more even. Dad, are you gonna say good morning?
Good morning.
Again, another camera shy person.
I don't think anybody wants wants to see what I'm doing, what I'm wearing right now.
Oh, honey, you never know.
There's a look for everybody.
So now I'm gonna throw on my eyebrows. And what I'm gonna do is use a powder shadow. I don't want them to be over stenciled in. So I am just putting in with an eye definer brush, which is like a tight brush, and I'm going to just gently apply the color. Yeah, that looks great. Come say hi.
With this.
Now everybody.
With this under.
No, just like that. Okay, everyone come see. He's asking if he should wear a white t-shirt underneath, but I said no. I said just go for the shirt. So handsome. All right. Do you want some you want some eyebrow?
Let me tell you, do I need some eyebrow?
We trim his eyebrows.
But I am going to put on a little oil.
Oh, nice, honey. Yeah, we do. We've advanced from a serum to the face oil. You know, you get close to 50. But you use the oil, don't you, Mike, after you shave?
Yeah, every day after I shave.
Yeah. Yeah, all over. Back of the hands.
Well, let's finish the face first.
Oh, yeah. There we go. You're gonna take it when you travel this week, too, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Cross-country oil.
Cross-country oil. Yeah. There you go. So you men in your lives can have a little bit of Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, too. So this whole time, I've just been taking a little bit of shadow and blending it out over my eyebrow. Super quick, super easy. I do have an eyebrow video if you're struggling with your brows. It is super simple to do. And if you really are like, I don't know what to do with my eyebrows, they're a funky shape, then, you know, go to a brow salon and get them shaped for the first time. And then you can tweeze them on your own thereafter. Or I even use like a little razor sometimes with all the blonde hairs. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna throw on a little bit of blush. Excuse me, I literally wanted to do this video super quick for you. So blush, I wanna choose a really soft, pretty shade. And putting on the apple of my cheeks. And I find, you know, again, I put on product so I know that, you know, it's quick, it's easy. So I've done, you know, moisturizer, I've done some bronzer, a little bit of the foundation before. Throw on my eyebrows, which is a feature I really need to make sure it's defined. A little bit of blush here on the apple of the cheeks, blending it back and down. I'm just using the face blender brush. It's a bigger, fluffier brush than like a tighter brush, because I don't want it a contoured cheek for the weekend. And you know what? I'm gonna show you another quick, easy tip. I do this a lot on the weekends. I take my bronzer and I use that as eyeshadow. So it really helps to just add a gentle, soft, pretty warmth to my eyelid. And it doesn't look too makeup-y. And it's pretty. So this is the shade Medium, which is more of a warmer cinnamon shade. And I'm just defining my eye shape and bringing it out underneath, outer corner. Bye. And blending, blending, blending. I just make sure that the two shapes are sort of similar. But you can see by using a bronzer, it's really easy. I'm gonna throw on a lip color. So for lip, I'm obsessed actually with its Crush Lip color. This is a color called Lilac. And it's what we teach our artists, it's one swipe, it's like a stain, which is so pretty. And then you can do 2 swipes, it's gonna give you more lip color, and then 3 swipes of this gives you ultimate color. And just because it's the weekend, I don't want too much lip. What I find lately is I have been doing lip liner to really sort of accentuate the shape. I find my lips are getting smaller. Oh, yeah. There. Pretty? Easy. It's not too sticky or glossy or anything. The latest thing I have been doing a ton of is curling my lashes and pressing the curler right up against the lid. And then I gently sort of squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And I have been using Smokey Eye Mascara. And I can see that I really am gonna need a lot of mascara. You can do, you know, it's all about your personal style. I love lots of lashes, but if you just want a tint, just do it once. And again, I'm just getting ready quick for the weekend. See the difference? And really pushing the wand right to the root. And I'll probably do even a few more coats. I don't love to take up a ton of time doing mascara for these videos. I really want to keep them as realistic as possible for you, but also don't want to waste your time having you watch me apply a ton of mascara. Because for a lot of you, this might be enough. And for me, it's not. But so I'm going to go and do more. So I am going to, I thought that was something a little bit brighter. I'm going to now rim my eyes. And I am going to take, what do we have here? I have a few. Let's take, oh, you know what? I can't find the right shade. So we are going to go for black eyeliner. It's good to see also like black ink liner. Really, you know, it works day or night. So what I'm gonna do is take the liner. I'm gonna go right under my lashes into the waterline. Because again, if you have a really full lash line, you might not need to do this step. My friend Cassandra has the most amazing lashes and they're really thick. So when she does liner, it makes her look super glam. But for me, because I'm blonde and the lashes are more sparse, I need to define my lash line with a little bit more product. So just by doing the liner up in the lash line, sorry if I'm blocking the camera, but I'm just gently pressing the brush along the lashes. And you can see that just gives a really pretty definition. Now, there's one thing missing. You know what it is? It's, again, my go-to product, must have. Anybody? Anybody? Concealer. So concealer, it's like a triangle of light. And I go right under. And I've got that eye cream. And it also helps, I find, to just sort of gently shape my under eye makeup if I do have any there. So I just run it along, do like that triangle shape, bring it out. You know, a lot of you have been asking me, oh, how do you stop concealer from creasing? I mean, if your skin is really dry and you have a lot of texture, then using a more sheer formula may be better. Or even taking this Instant Full Cover concealer, or thicker concealer, if you have it at home, and blend it with a little bit of your eye cream. And then that way you're gonna create more of a sheer product, which will be great for you. I am going to now just take, my friend sent me these brushes. They're from Sigma, they're really good. I'm gonna just take any foundation brush, any blending brush, and you can tap and press the concealer under your eye. And it just looks brighter. It helps lift and bring forward my eye. Again, as I find I get older, your eyes, somebody was telling me, actually sink more into the back. Oh, look at the burn. That was from cooking, as we try to do, moms. And anyways, they sink into the back of your head. I just take whatever concealer's left and put it on the bridge of my nose. And there we go. I'm ready to go. Hey, Jackson, come here for a sec. Come here. Oh, let me see your Lego. Come here. Come here, handsome. Look how cute.
You can just take the Lego.
Okay. Say hi.